My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called OlSaveLock. This is a ransomware which is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video is only for the educational purposes. Of course, I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this horrible ransomware. Because of certain leaks and certain vulnerabilities in the computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then pretty soon users realize that they can no longer access their data anymore because of this OlSaveLock ransomware and its impact on the system. This extension OlSaveLock is appended to the file names. To be more specific, the extension is OlSaveLock31. The ransomware also reveals this special ransom note in the form of HTML file. I cannot open it with Google Chrome, so I'll use Internet Explorer browser for this purpose. This is the ransom note. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page, the official page, combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then after the application is successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only Quick Scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on Start Scan, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Also, it may first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got this anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add certain folders which will always be protected from all kinds of other ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. This anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files, in fact. But Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying this ransomware, removing this ransomware, and protecting the data. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. So premium license is what you need for getting your data always protected.